morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Your Pallavi ma'am is back. Children, before we moving on to the session, I would like to say this. You all are very good children. You all did letter A and letter B activity very nicely. You all did a wonderful job. Keep up the good work. Okay? Now, let's begin our session with oral A2. A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for doll, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for teddy, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for Christmas tree, Y for yacht, and Z for... Today we are going to learn new rhyme, Johnny Johnny. Sing it and do action along with me. Johnny Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. You enjoyed the rhyme? Do it once again. Now in tune. Johnny Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open. Now children, look into the chart. This is letter A and this is letter B, which we learned in our previous session. Now which letter come after B? Letter C, and after C, letter D. So today we are going to learn two letters, letter C and letter D. C for cat. C for cat. Cat is a pet animal and cat says, everyone knows, cat says meow meow. Okay? And C for clay. And C for car, everyone's favorite toy car. And C for cotton. Cotton is soft, fluffy and used to make cloth. हम जो कपड़े पहनते हैं ना, उसमें क्या यूज होता है? ये cotton. And what is the sound of letter C? K. What is the sound of letter C? K. C for cat. K. K. Cat. Now see other objects. Begins with letter C on page number 18. C for cat, C for car, C for cow, cow gives us milk, C for carrot, carrot is a vegetable, orange in color and very good for eyes, C for cap, C for cup. Now letter D. This is capital D, this is small d. D for dog, D for dog. And what is the sound of letter D? D. What is the sound of letter D? D. And see other objects begins with letter D. On page number 21. D for door, D for deer, deer is an animal, D for doll, D for dog, D for donkey, and D for dice, used in games. Okay. Now I will teach you how to write letter C and letter D. These are patterns: standing line, sleeping line, forward slant line, backward slant line, right open curve and left open curve. For letter C, capital C. Small c. Letter D. Join them by standing line and draw a curved line. Capital D. Small d. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Now look how to write in your notebook. Red line, blue line, red line. Red line to blue line. Capital C. And blue line to blue line, small c. Red line to blue line, standing line and draw curved line. Capital D. And blue line to blue line, draw curved line, small d. Okay. Now it's activity time. I have drawn capital C and small c on this page. For capital C we required cotton and for small c clay. Apply glue. ऐसे कॉटन के छोटे छोटे बॉल्स बनाने हैं. ओके. और ऐसे स्टिक करना है. One by one. Okay. Now small c. क्ले को भी ऐसे राउंड राउंड छोटे छोटे बॉल करके प्रेस करके ऐसे वन बाय वन एक के ऊपर एक थोड़ा सा ऐसे प्रेस करना है. Letter C activity is completed. Children, can you tell me small c how it's look? Yes, it's look like as a caterpillar. You have to do this activity and send me pic. Letter D activity. For this we required watercolor. डॉट डॉट देना है. यूज डिफरेंट कलर्स. And for small d we required only yellow color. पूरा इसमें येलो कलर ही देना है. Capital D activity is completed. Now for small d. I'm putting eyes on small d like this and this red color big. Now it's look like a duck. D is for dots and D is for duck. So children, what you learned today? Letter C, capital C and small c, and letter D, capital D and small d. I hope you enjoyed the session. Send me pics. Bye. Take care.